Hi friends, I'm super excited to announce that we have a freedom sale coming up this Independence Day weekend. As you know, India is celebrating its Independence Day on 15th August. It has been 74 years since independence, and this is going to be our 75th Independence Day. And to make it special, at Manocha Academy, we are offering all our courses at a big 75% off. That's right, all courses available at 75% discount. So hurry, because this Independence Day offer is only valid for 3 days. Now, how do you get our courses? You can go to our Android app, Manocha Academy, or go to our website, manochaacademy.com. And to make it easy, I'll put the links below. So make sure, guys, you check out our website, manochaacademy.com, and our app, because we have awesome courses on physics, chemistry, biology, maths, and computers. So do check out these courses. Links are given below, and make full use of this Independence Day offer. It's only valid for 3 days, and I hope you guys will enjoy and love our courses. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button right now and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. So here's wishing you a very happy Independence Day in advance. Jai Hind.